How to fix login error and unexpected error occurred. Please try again logging in Facebook. Hey everybody, if your Facebook is showing that kind of error and won't let us log in, we are completely locked out of our account. So let's fix this step by step so we can log in back again. So first of all, head over to Facebook and sometimes the Facebook server may be down. So if the server is down, we wait and then try again later. That should work. Or we can restart the app, so we may close this up completely, the Facebook application. And once we do so, we need to restart the phone, hold the power button, look out for the restart, and then reopen the Facebook app and log in again. This is how we do it. And apart from that, we may check our internet connection as well. Sometimes just go over and access the quick settings panel. And within our quick settings panels, look out for the Wi-Fi and the data and switch between those and even turn the airplane mode on and off once again. Also update our Facebook app. So you may head over to Play Store and within here search for Facebook. Search Facebook. And once we find it up, we need to go over and update it if there is any kind of update available, and that should work out for you. Also clear out the app cache. So hold app, go to the info, and within there, scroll down, find the option for storage, and we may look out for clear cache option in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and clear out the cache. And also, if any kind of VPNs are being used, we may disable those VPN or DNS blockers, and Facebook may block logins from the masked IPs. And that's it. Usually, these fixes should resolve the Facebook login error and get us back in. So, we hope this video was helpful to you. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.